What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kevin, and we got a special guest, Thomas. Say hi,
Hey
Thomas. Hi, Ellie. This is Ellie, Thomas's sister. You look happy. You look happy. She looks happy. So, Brian. Can you,
You might want to restart that.
can you come to the lobby with us?
Yes. Where you gotta go?
We're gonna play hide and seek in a hotel.
Can't do that.
We did it yesterday.
Yeah, we did it. Yes.
Say shoelace.
Oh.
Trip.
We might want to get rid of that one. It's kind of crappy, I think.
No, I don't want to get rid of this video.
Then check the whole video. See how it is.
When I'm done. The
That
video.
coffee's pretty good, Brian, huh?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah.
Ellie?
Ooh. Like my shirt. It says just the boy who loves Titanic.
Well, it's not getting up till 12.
Oh.
I wish I could sleep till 12.
Come on, Brian.
Okay.
What does it work out?
All right.
So.
See when you guys come back.
Leave the door open here so we can get back
Yeah, we're allowed to hide on the fifth story. We're allowed to hide up there.
Yeah,
We're going to hide up there. On the fifth story.
It's dangerous.
No, it's
But
not.
you have to stay down here.
So you can hide on the fifth story.
My dad said I could, but he has to come with us.
Oh.
So,
So-
the fifth story.
Yeah, like I said in the last video, you guys wanted me to go to the fifth. Well, I wanted to go to the fifth story. I went up there a couple times. I got used to it, so I'm gonna go on the fifth story. So let's go to the elevator, Ellie. To the elevator.
Show them the view.
Yeah, it's a really good view. Ellie, over here.
No!
We're going.
Over here!
No, we're not going to the gym. Ellie.
Show them the gym again. It was kind of crappy when you was last one. The gym's over there.
Yeah, the gym's over there.
Oh, we can show them that later.
Yeah. Oh, the waterfall's on.
Yeah.
Ellie, we're going to the park. Okay, go get her. Sorry, guys. It's just a little, you know. But I think today will be a good day. So, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are playing hide and seek in the hotel. So, but first we're gonna go to the fourth and fifth story to show you. I'm running. Thomas! Brian, you coming? Ellie!
Come on, Dad!
So this is a cool hotel. Once the button turns white, elevator's here. Oh, it's snowing. Can you guys see? Look, it's snow. The elevator's still coming.
Oh, yeah, I think it's broken. Oh, come down.
Oh, just
It's down.
oh.
That's orange.
Looks like you guys are leaving.
You guys leaving? I hope you guys enjoyed your stay.
We did. I hope you continue to enjoy yours.
Yeah. Say hi to YouTube.
You're on YouTube.
Ciao, Thomas.
Okay, we're in the elevator.
Yeah.
Fourth, fourth,
Yeah,
fifth.
the other side, yeah.
Fourth, fifth.
Fourth.
I got a 7-year-old.
I'm an 8. So, I really like this
It's
shirt.
a lot harder back here, right?
Yeah.
Way too hard.
It's really cool. Oh, you went down
4th floor.
on the 4th.
Yeah, don't stick. Don't do nothing crazy.
Show them the
Hello.
bridge.
Hello.
So this is the bridge. That was me.
On the bridge.
No! Show them how high it is.
So,
Show them how high it is.
Ellie,
Stop it!
don't.
To do the everything. 1, 2, 1, 1. I catch the fish.
Tommy, get off the rail.
1, 2,
Thomas, get off the rail.
1. I caught the fish. 1, 2, 1. I caught a fish. 1, 2, 1. I caught one.
It's not as high as the
A
5th.
fish. Let them go. 1, 2, 1. I caught the fish. 1, 2, 3.
It's very sketchy. Like I said
On the last video.
in the last video on the 3rd story. For some reason, I feel like the 3rd story was more high. Because it's seriously not that high on the 3rd story.
I want to grab them.
Don't grab those.
Stop. I want to work out this. And now I can go up over there. Let's go on the elevator, guys. And go on the 5th. I'll show you around on the 5th.
Ellie, come on!
Oh no, that Albert got story. Oh, that
Let's go back down. We're ready to go back down.
No, we're going up there now.
Okay. Next video, we can go to the 5th story.
No, actually, we're going up there, Dad.
No,
We're going up
next
there to show
video.
YouTube.
No, I guess next video.
Stop it!
Dangerous.
Stop it!
It's dangerous.
And now we're going to play hide and seek. Stop it!
Ellie!
And now
Ellie!
we're going to play hide and seek. We're going to play hide and seek. We're going to play hide and seek, though.
Ellie, be careful.
Kevin, we're going to play hide and seek.
Oh, she's going to the 5th story. It's kind of scary up here. Going down. Ellie, come on. We're going to the elevator. No, down.
Uh-oh. I accidentally pressed that. But it's okay, right? It's okay.
Press the door. Keep the door
That
open.
one? Door open. That's good. It says door open. I accidentally pressed up. Okay. Let's see what happens, right? Close it.
Okay, so
We might go on the 5th. Oh, no, we're gonna...
Alright, back to the room.
so yeah.
I'll play hide and seek. I'll do hide and seek on next video.
Can, That's scary.
It makes me step on your shoe.
Did that scare you guys? Did that scare you guys? Let me know. I saw a dog. I wanted to pet it, but it just barked at me.
It barked and I slipped on your shoe.
What?
It barked and I slipped on your shoe.
This is a nice place.
Record it soon when you get in the room.
We're going to play hide and seek.
Is it bad?
Then record.
What happened out there?
Let's record.
Did you hear the dog bark?
Yeah.
Let's record.
Came out the elevator.
Record.
the
It's
dog
been
was
recording.
coming
No,
in,
that.
excited at the kid.
Stop recording?
I heard something.
No.
I
Why?
heard something go whoop, and then I heard something like a firecracker or something.
Ellie, you want sausage?
Well, that's it for this video. I'm sorry.
You want more
We didn't
sausage?
get to do
Go ahead,
hide and
Ellie.
seek. Yeah. Bye.
I guess we'll have lunch
Well,
at
it's
1.
such a rip off.